So we're over to the Royal Enfield Stand now, and got to be honest, I'm not really into these, but let's go and have a look just in case, because, you know, I'm 44 now, one day I'm going to be 55, I might want one, so let's get involved. To look for the info cards, which this one doesn't have. So this is the 350 by looks of things, and I would say, yeah, not for me. Very cool. I'm glad that other people own them because they are pretty cool to look at, but too much chrome for me. Looks better in green for sure. Well, actually, there's a really cool single seat one there. Look, that's a 650 twin. Well, they've done a pretty good job of making it look old, but that's about it. Well, this is, I think, what most people are interested in, the Himalayan. Now, what to say that you don't already know, anyone that wants to look at one. It's just a really basic bike. Hey. Well, I don't know what to tell you, just not into Royal Enfields. What's this, like a scrambler thing? The Interceptor Bear 650. I think I prefer that. It's got a bit of manliness about it. I'm thinking about doing the TET with my brother in 2025, and I've got to look for a bike for that. And dare I say it, this could be a possibility, but also the Honda's got a new 350 coming out. It's very busy with men from a certain age on this stand, as you can see, around about 60s. Oh, look, there's a cool looking bike that none of the old people are looking at. The, I don't even, Gorilla 450 it's called. So that's cool. See, I like that. I mean, I don't know if it's a girl's bike, you know what I'm saying? It's just got that weird fashion over function about it. I like the colours. That should be over in the army bit, the other side, shouldn't it? No. Oh, there's a tricked up one on the stand at the top. That looks cool. Why don't they sell that as a standard bike? That's way cooler. It's pretty trick, isn't it? The Hunter 350. I can't tell you much because they've got like this little very, very tiny writing thing here, which I can't even be bothered to read. It's a very small bike, it's very low. All of these are very low bikes. Right, what we got? Ducati. This is a busy stand.